In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to type insert degree symbol, DEG, in Outlook. If you've ever needed to write something like 90 degrees for an angle or 72 degrees for a temperature in an email, but couldn't find the degree symbol, this walkthrough will make it simple. We'll open Outlook, start a new message, and use a quick keyboard shortcut to insert the symbol exactly where you need it. First, open your web browser and head to your preferred search engine. In the search bar, type Outlook and look for the official Outlook site in the results. Click through and sign in if you aren't already. You can do this in the web version of Outlook or the desktop app, but the shortcut we'll use is especially handy in the web version. Once you're in your mailbox, click New Mail to open a fresh message. In the Compose window, place your cursor where you want to type your text. For our example, we'll write the number 90 to represent 90 degrees. So go ahead and type 90 and leave the cursor right after the 0, because that's where the symbol will appear. Now for the degree symbol itself. On a Windows keyboard, the fastest way to insert it is with an Alt code. Hold down the Alt key, and while holding it, type 0176 on the numeric keypad, then release Alt. As soon as you let go, you should see the degree symbol appear, giving you 90 degrees. A couple of important tips here. This needs to be typed on the numeric keypad on the right side of a full keyboard. The number row along the top of the keyboard usually won't work for Alt codes. Make sure numlock is turned on, or the digits won't register. If you're on a compact laptop without a dedicated keypad, check whether it has an embedded numeric keypad you can activate with the function key, or consider using an external USB keypad. Also, the 0 at the start is part of the code, so be sure to include it. You can use this same shortcut anywhere in your email, including the subject line and the message body. For clean formatting, it's standard to write the number right next to the symbol with no space, like 90 degree or 72 degrees. If the symbol doesn't appear the first time, recheck numlock and try again, making sure you keep Alt held down until all 4 digits are entered. That's all there is to it. You've opened Outlook, started a new email, typed your value, and quickly inserted the degree symbol with Alt 0176. Now you can finish your message and send it with perfectly formatted degrees.